Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to replace the shaft seal in an LX model 1431601-03 and 1431701-03 jet pump and walk-in spas. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, hammer, and silicone grease. Parts you will need: 77363 shaft seal. Step 1. Remove the screws from the volute cover. Step 2. Remove the volute cover by gently tapping it with a screwdriver and hammer. Step 3. Remove the wear ring from the impeller. Step 4. Remove the vent shroud and the plastic cover on the shaft. Step 5. Remove the impeller by holding the shaft in place with a screwdriver and turning the impeller counterclockwise. Step 6. Remove the shaft seal spring by digging around the edge with a flathead screwdriver. Step 7. Remove the second part of the shaft seal in the impeller by digging around the edge with a flathead screwdriver. Step 8. Install the new shaft seal into the impeller by covering the rubber part in silicone grease and pressing it firmly into the impeller. Step 9. Install the shaft seal spring by covering the rubber part in silicone grease and pressing it firmly into the volute. Step 10. Clean the graphite part of the shaft seal with a paper towel. Step 11. Install the impeller by holding the shaft in place with a screwdriver and turning the impeller clockwise until it stops. Step 12. Cover the volute O-ring with silicone grease and install the wear ring on the impeller. Step 13. Install the volute cover with the screws. Step 14. Install the plastic shaft cover and the vent shroud. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.